This conference will now be recorded.
Before that, what I'll do, I'll share the Excel sheet first. I mean, how we are going to do the configuration.
Okay, sir.
So I just shared the Excel sheet. So today is 20th. So what we have covered, the theoretical part, okay, the business process. Now what we are going to do, we are going to define company code, then assign company code to company, then business area, creation of functional area. So definition and creation, then assignment. We'll focus on these first, then we'll move ahead for other concepts. So this is the T code. These are the paths. So for some activities, or we can say that I'll use path. For some activity, I'll use T code. Okay. So let me
Okay.
share again. Let me go to. Okay. So before that, what we need to
Sir,
do?
either we can, sir, wait a minute, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello. Sir, we can use either T code or path.
Sorry.
We can
Yeah.
use either one. Huh.
Yeah, we can use path or T code. T code is
Okay.
nothing but it's a transaction code. It's just a shortcut. Instead of using these path again and again, so what we can do,
Okay.
we will just use this T code, and there is a command field. Just enter, type this OX15, suppose say T code, and we can reach to the particular screen. Where do you want
Okay.
we
Instead of
want to?
using the path, we can use the T code directly.
Yes, but as you are
Okay.
new to the SAP, so what I'll do, I'll use the combination of both. If I am
Okay.
using for defining the company, I'll use path. Maybe after some time, I'll use T code as well.
T code. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The
So
T
I'll
code is
use,
same. It is a standard T code, sir.
it's a standard T codes.
Okay.
You'll find in SAP servers. Okay. So it's a standard SAP T codes. So nothing to worry about it. So every company, whoever is using SAP, will access to these T codes.
Okay, sir. These are common to
Okay.
everyone.
Yes. So what we'll do is, before we start, we also need to know what is our company and company code. For that matter, can you suggest me any company and company codes?
No, sir. No idea.
So what we'll do, I'll just share the Google. Okay, I'll share Google, and what we'll do, we'll see what are the options. Maybe we'll try with Adani Group.
Okay.
We'll see. Adani Group is the. Are you able to see the screen? Google.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, right. So suppose say Adani Group is a group of company. That means, but in SAP language, Adani is a company. Okay. We'll see
Okay.
the subsidiaries of Adani. So we see Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, and we'll see more. NDTV, SEC Cement is there. Adani Green Energy is also there. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take two, and we'll consider that this Adani Group is a company, and we'll consider ACC Cement. ACC Cement is the company code. Okay, Adani Power, and we'll take ACC Cement. Two company codes and one company.
Okay. Okay,
So
sir.
what I'll do, yeah. So what I'll do, I'll go to, So are you able to see the Excel sheet now or Google? Okay, you now you can see only Google. So what I'll do, I'll stop sharing. Now I'll go to the Excel sheet. Now we've decided that we have to configure Adani group. Okay, now company is, suppose that there is a client requirement and we have to configure, we have to do the configuration, and Adani group is currently using Tally, or we can say that ERP. Now they want to move from that legacy software, whatever they are using, Tally or Oracle, to SAP. So that's a requirement. Okay, we got. So as a consultant, what we need to do, we need to configure, we need to create a company, and company name is Adani Group, and we have to create two company codes. Company code.
Course.
Okay, company codes. So first would be uh, Adani Power. Second would be um,
Yes, yes.
ACC Cement. Okay, ACC Cement. Both that we need to create. In that case, suppose say, so creating a company, now we need to, what we need to do, we need to create in a such a way that it's a 5 digit alphanumeric code. So we need to have 5 characters. So it should be alphanumeric, or it should be number or or letters. We can use combination of both. Okay. So what we'll do, A D A G, or ADA, or ADGOC, ADGOC. Okay, and company code would be AP10. Okay,
Yes.
and company codes are uh, that you need to create with 4 characters, 4 alphanumeric characters. So AC10. We'll use these characters to create a company code. Suppose say Adani has provided these naming conventions. To create a company, use this code or characters for company, and for company code, use this AP10 and AC10. Now, what we need to do, this is our requirement. Okay, baseline configuration. Now we need to prepare as per this sheet. So to define a company, we need to go to OX15, or we need to follow the path. First of all, we'll follow the path. Okay, then we can start using T codes. So I'll EDGOC, stop sharing, and then I'll share SAP screen. Oh yeah. So please confirm if you are able to see the screen
Right now, no, sir.
now.
No,
SAP
sir.
Easy Access, SAP screen.
Yes,
No.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So this is an SAP Easy Access screen. So this screen is an we can say that used for day-to-day transactions. End user use this screen. So what we need to do, we need to do the development. We need to do the baseline configuration. In that case, we will use the T code called SPRO. SPRO. So this is a command field. Okay. So to reach to a proper to a particular screen, we need to type a particular T code. T code is nothing but transaction code. So this is a T code to reach the development server. Okay. So I have just typed SPRO, enter. Now this screen will appear. Customizing execute project. So in this case, what we need to do, we need to click on SAP reference IMG. Click once. Once we click SAP reference IMG, we will reach over here. Display IMG. IMG is nothing but implementation guide. So this is the place where actual development, where actual configuration work starts. Okay. So what we have done, we have used the T code SPRO. Then we type that in SPRO in the command field. This is the command field. Then enter. After entering that, we have reached this screen. So after that, we need to click on SAP reference IMG. So once we click on SAP reference IMG, now as per whatever our activities are, we need to start doing the configuration from here. So right now what we need to do, we need to do the configuration. We need to define company. So to define company, we need to use the number of folders. So we need to use this folder, enterprise structure. So just like enterprise structure, we have financial accounting, controlling, logistics general, sales and distribution, materials management. We have almost everything. It's a common platform. So right now we are focusing on financial accounting. For that matter, we need to do the enterprise structure as well. Click on enterprise structure. This is the node. Okay, just click once. Once we click on the node which we require, just uh, besides the enterprise structure. Okay, so once we click on this node, this number of options will appear. So in this case, we need to work on definition first for assignment and for definition. Right now we are going to define company, so use definition option and click once. Now we will reach this screen. Again, we need to go to financial accounting. Click once again. Once we click on financial accounting, these many options have appeared. So this button is nothing but execution button. If you see this, this is a it's like a, we can say that watch, and there is a green signal. Just a second. Yes. So sorry. So are you able to see my screen? Yes, right? Hello?
Huh, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll again go to the
Thank you, sir.
that definition folder. Now we are into enterprise structure,
Yes. This is
definition,
definition financial
financial
accounting.
accounting. Then
Different
we need to double click on define company. If you want to know more about define company, what is company? So this is the option, activity documentation. If you double click on it, define company. Why do we want to define, and what is the company definition? All the activities or all the information that will you will get from this option, from this uh, documentation. Okay, this is the similarly for if you want to know more about credit control area, this is the option. This is the activity documentation button, the activity documentation file, we can say that. So I'll double click on define company. Okay, so these are the companies that some other people have created. Okay, and we
Okay.
have to create a company in such a way that uh, it should not be created before. If it is created,
Okay.
then we'll get the error that this
Okay.
combination has already been used. Okay, so
Yes.
now what we need to do, we need to create new one. If you want to copy,
New entity.
this is the option. Copy means if suppose say this is the company code, and if you want to copy this sub company code, just click, select this row, then click on copy button, copy as button. But what we need to do, we need to create new one. For that matter, we need to click on new entries. Once we click on new entries, this screen will appear. Company name, name of company. Okay. So what we need to do, we have decided that Adani Group is our company, and the combination is ADGOC. Okay. You can either use one AD 100, something like that, or we can use only letters, or we can use alphanumerical as well. This is our choice. So we can use up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So 7 characters that we can use. But right now we will only use ADGOC. Okay, the company name is
Okay.
Dani
AD
Group.
GOC. Running group
Yeah,
company.
yeah. Company name is Adani Group, and just copy paste in the name of company two as well. Okay, street would be uh, any street, maybe Adani Group. So headquarters is in suppose in Mumbai. So I'll just use LBS road. PO box is, well, we'll leave it maybe 40001. City is Mumbai. Country is India. Languages. So country is India. If you don't know the code of country, just beside that there is a button. If you click on it, you will get the list. Even if you don't know, just type here the find button, click on it, and just type India. Once you search the country name, it will appear at the top. Okay, so just double click on it. Then language. So mostly we'll use only English. Okay. If you want to search it, you can also search, but it can easily get it. That's the EN is the language key. Now we will use INR. Okay. Once we are done with this, just enter. Once we enter, that means ADGOC hasn't been created before. So it is, we are going to create. That means we are okay with the names. Okay. So just save it. So once we are going to save, this prompt or customizing request has appeared. So that means it is nothing but the TR, transport request. So this is this belongs to implementation of project of for Hinduja Group, but we are doing the configuration for Adani Group, right? So what we'll do, we'll create a
Yes.
new transport request. So this is the option to create a new request. This click on this, or suppose if you already have created, you can use this option. Okay, so right now I'll create new one. So I'll show you maybe next time at the time of company code creation, I'll show you how this option looks like. But right now I'll click on create request. Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are doing the configuration of organization structure. So organization structure for suppose say Adani Group. This is our TR. So you can create n number of TRs, maybe as per the task, as per the topic wise. Okay, so it is always better to have different T codes. So now continue button, then data was saved. Okay, so now we have created a company. The name is ADGOC. If you go back, now you see we have created a Adani group. Okay, we can use Adani group of companies, anything, but instead of using Adani group of companies, just add a group. It is totally depends on the client requirement. It's not up to us. But as we are doing practice, so better use short names so that we can save a lot of time. So once we are done with this, we will go back. So once we define the company, okay, so we need to define company code. So this is the option to create a company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, so in this case, what we need to do, we can use this the same path once again, or what we can do, we can use the T code as well. Okay, so for if you want to, I mean, if you don't want to close this screen, and if you want to open a new screen and work on it, so there is an option in SAP. So it is creates new session. Okay, in this case, click on new session. Once you click a new session, that means this new screen has appeared, but also the
Sir,
old,
there is an interruption, sir, in between. Hello?
sorry,
Sir,
yeah,
there
yeah,
is an interest. Last 5 minutes
there
I
is
have not seen, sir. Screen is not visible to me.
screen was not visible.
Last 5 minutes. Yes, sir, last 5 minutes.
Okay, so were you able to see the configuration of defined company?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Up to that, okay, sir. Our transport is there. No?
Okay, okay,
We
okay.
have created new one.
Okay, okay. So now we have defined a company, and I was going to, explain that if you want to use another session and don't want to close this screen, so in that case, what you can do, you can use this screen, creates a new session. Once you click on it, news screen will appear. That doesn't mean the previous CAV, previous SAP Easy Access screen has closed, but it's there. Okay, these are the options. So we can uh, use these new sessions up to six options, six times. So we have used two times, one, two. Either we can use that one as well. Three, four, five, six. Once we use for the sixth time, we'll get the message that there is a limit. Okay, we cannot go beyond six option. Maximum number of session reached. Okay, I'm just showing you the possibilities. It's I can say that good to know. I'll close these sessions. So what I am showing you right now is, if you want to directly, if you don't want to use the path, you can directly use the T code. So OX02 is the T code for company code. Okay, so it is there. Everything is there in the Excel sheet. You just need to use the T code in the command field and then press enter. Once you press enter, you will reach over here. So that these are the lists that people have already worked on it. Maybe some other students, or some of the company codes are there which are
Sir,
provided
it
by
is
SAP.
the screen is same, sir.
Screen is okay. Just a second. I'll again share. Now,
Okay. It's okay, sir. Now it's
okay, we got it. Now, if I use another screen, another session, so it will show only the previous one. That is why. So what I'll do, I'll use only one screen instead of creating new ones. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So OX02 is the T code to create a company, to define a company code. Sorry, company code, not company. So OX02, enter. So once we enter a T code OX02, we will reach to this screen. Change view company code overview. So what we need to do? We need to create. We need to use
Sir,
new entry.
now it is for company code.
Hello,
Sir, now you are
hello.
showing company code, right?
Company code.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, not continue.
Yeah. So company has already been done. Now we are discussing about
Oh,
how to configure
company
company
code.
code. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So yeah. So we have decided that we are going to configure two company codes. One is ACC Cement and one is Adani Power. So and we already got the request from client that the how is the the character combination. So for Adani Power it is AP10. So now we will use
Yes.
AP10. AP10. Okay. And name should be Adani Power. So we can also use private limited in that case. And here, so you are from Hyderabad, right? Bangalore.
No, from Ballari, sir.
Sorry,
Ballari. Ballari,
Bellary
Ballari.
is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do, I'll use Bangalore. That's
Okay, no issues.
Bengaluru. Maybe I'll use the older version, Bangalore. Okay, country
Okay.
would be India, IN. Currency is
Okay.
INR. Language is English. So once we add all the details, additional data, we need to click on this option, address button. So we have two options. Either we can click on address button or simply we can uh, click on enter and we'll try to control S. Once we try to save it, this screen will appear. So right now what we'll do, we'll just click on address button. Once we click on address button, now okay, we'll wait. This edit address screen will appear. Now we need to fill
Okay.
up the all the details again. So these are just the additional data we need to uh, add the all the data, all the address related search term, what is the search term, what is the street address, PO box address, communication, all the data that we need to add over here. So again, Adani Power Private Limited, and here search term would be, you can say that AP10. Street would be, can you suggest any street name in Bangalore? Is MG Road
No
there
idea,
in
sir.
Bangalore? Okay, MG Road is everywhere. Number would be 123. I'll just add any for practice. This is for just practice. Can you suggest any postal code for Bangalore? or any, you can say that.
Sir, 583201.
583201.
83201.
Okay. City would be again Bangalore. Country is India. And region is Karnataka. So I don't remember the name number of state because it's difficult to remember these numbers. So I'll just click this option button. So list of regions will appear. That means region means states in India.
Okay.
Server is slow right now. I think either server or internet.
Sir, all these are mandatory fields.
All mandatory fields are, I mean, all are not mandatory.
Okay.
Some of them are mandatory, some of are optional. But in SAP,
How can
if
we
you want
find
to,
it, sir?
okay, so in SAP, if you want to keep any particular field mandatory, if you want to keep any particular field optional, so there is a variant that we are going to discuss. So there is a variant called field status variant, where we have option to control which field needs to be optional, which field needs to be suppose say suppressed or hide,
Mandatory.
or which field is need to be mandatory or required, that we can control. So there is a variant that we are going to create. That variant is called field status variant. Okay, so these are the
It is
variants,
like
right?
an
So
internal control.
sorry.
We can use it as a control.
Yes, yes, we can control. So if you want to hide, suppose say, if you want to hide postal code and PO box, so we can hide. Once we, so there is an radio button. Once we click on hide button, so next time if you are going to create any company code, the PO box or postal code will not appear over here.
Okay.
Okay. If similarly, if you want to keep that one as required, okay, we can also do that. Maybe it's not working. What we'll do in this case, if it is, I mean, hanged, if the system is hanged, there is an option. Just go here. Even this is not working. It's the first time I'm facing this type of issue after many years. It's just like real time scenario.
Yes.
I'll just stop sharing. Give me a minute. Still hanged. I'm unable to do anything right now.
Sir, will you share me that Excel sheet, sir, today,
Yes, yes, I'll share as well.
so that I can practice,
Yes, yes. So once we complete today's session, I'll share the Excel sheet with you.
as well as recording, sir?
Yes, I'll give you the recording as well today.
Okay,
So last uh, two lectures, classes that I will share for this one as
okay,
well.
sir.
This one, just a second. It's got hanged. Just a second. If you want to break, if you want to take a break for 5 minutes, you can. Okay, it's just
Okay, sir.
so let me know if once you are back. Okay, so now system has reset.
Yes, sir,
Transaction
I am
was reset.
here only.
Okay, okay, then we'll continue.
I'm
Okay,
here only, sir. You can start.
okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
we'll continue. I'll share my screen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is just a system glitch.
Okay.
Okay, we'll again create a company code OX02. So, are you on the same page? I mean, same screen now? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
OX02. Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter. Then new entries. AP10 Adani Power Private Limited. City is uh, what is our city? Bangalore. Country would be India. Currency INR. Language is English. Okay, address. Once we click on this edit address, in title select company, then again the same name Adani Power Private Limited. That one has I've already created. I mean type. That's why we are showing the Adani Power Private Limited over here. So search term would be AP10. We can also add Adani Power. Here street name would be MG Road 1234. Postal code would be 583201, and then city would be Bangalore. Country would be India, and region is, now we need to check it. So Karnataka, K for Karnataka, yes. Region is 10 for Karnataka. PO box and postal code, that if you want, we'll keep the same. Okay, and all the field, if you want to add all the details, you can. Right now, we will, as these are optional things, we will leave. Just now click on copy and enter. Once we click on this option, what we need to do, we need to now save it. Here what we need to do, we need to click over here. Again we need to click on copy. Once we copy over here, again this prompt for customizing request will appear. Organization structure for Adani Group. Okay, that means we have created a company. At the time of creation of company, we have created a TR, that is transport request number. So what we'll do, we'll use the same. If you want to use the same, just click on continue button. Suppose that this is a different one. Maybe you have worked on some other thing, or someone is already working in your system or on the server. If you see other short description, other request, then what you need to do, you just click on own request. Once you click on own request, you will see these many options. So enterprise structure configuration, organization structure for Adani Group, implementation project for our Hinduja Group. So what we need to do, we need to select what is our TR request. What is R means which TR request that we need.
Organization.
So we will use this one. Okay, right now. Okay, so we'll continue button. So organization structure for Adani Group. Continue button. Data was saved. Okay, now we have to create one more company code. Now this is the option, next entry. Either we can go back or come back with the same T code or same we can say that menu path, or we can just click on next entry. Once we click on next entry, new screen will appear. Now we need to create one more company code, that is ACC segment, that is AC10. AC10,
10.
and company name is ACC
This is the same.
Cement Private Limited. City would be, we have taken Mumbai, right? So what we need to do, we
Yes.
will, this suppose say this company is in, uh, suppose say UK. It's in GB, Great Britain. So what we'll do, we will use London option. Country is GB. Currency is GBP. Language is English. We'll use
Great
other
Britain.
countries as well. Okay, not just India. Enter.
Okay.
Company code, currency was changed. Why currency was changed? GBP is the currency code, right? For GB, GBP British pound, yeah. Should not be the problem. Company code, currency was changed. Mm, okay, just click on it. Entry exists with the same key. Okay, so someone has used the same name AC10. That is why we are getting this error. So whenever you see red
Error.
option, that means it's an error. Whenever you see a color yellow, that means it's a warning. Whenever you see color green, that means everything is all right. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll create some other combination. So ACC cement, right? So ACC 1. We'll create with ACC 1. We'll see whether even someone has created or not. Now we are good to go. That means we haven't received any error message. So instead of creating AC10, we will create ACC1. But in real life scenario, we don't need to worry about it. Whatever the company has provided, we will create that naming convention only, because uh, we don't see any people are practicing on the same server. This is a real-time server. It
Okay.
would be, I mean, we won't face any issue less like that, because it's a practice server. It's IDEA server. People might have used the same combination. Okay, so ACC1 is the is the company code that we need to create. So what we need to do, suppose say instead of clicking on this address button, now I've totally forgot that this is the last option after this is the last screen to create company code. Now I want to hit the save button. Once we click on save button, again this edit address will appear. Now again what we need to do, we need to fill up all the details. ACC Cement Private Limited. Copy paste again over here, and search term would be ACC1, ACC Cement. Street would be street, any random name. House number would be 899. Postal code would be 12123. Any 5 digit now, because in India we have 6 digit postal code, but in UK or US it is 5. Country would be GB. Region, now we need to select. So it would be, you can take any, but right now we are just focusing on London. So JK, Greater London, that will select. All right, so just copy, paste the postal code, the same PO box number and postal code. That's it. Now, if you want to uh, give the postal code for company, you can, but we will leave it blank. Enter, data was saved. All right. Once we save again, we'll see data already saved. Okay. So right now we have created company and company code. Any questions? Or it's simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll unshare and we'll go to Excel sheet. Okay. So we have created ACC1 and AP10. Okay. And what I'll do, I'll just these terms over here in one column. Okay. This is the company. So what I'll do, I'll hide this option for some time, maybe leave it as it is. I'll just keep the path short. Maybe, okay, leave it as it is. So define company code. We have created the two company codes, AP10. Another one is ACC1.
ACC1.
Yeah. So now what we need to do, once we define, we need to assign as well. Okay. So we need to assign company code to company, because at the time of, I mean, consolidation purpose, if you want to consolidate financial statements, in that case we need to uh, assign company code to company. So how to assign it? I'll go to SAP screen now. All right, so these are the two company codes that we have created. We'll go back. Again, we have reached the SAP Easy Access screen. Again, we need to go to SAP SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. Now we have created company and company code under definition part. So as you see, this is the assignment. That means we need to assign company code to company. So we will click on this node just besides assignment. Then again we need to click on financial accounting. Now we see assign company code to company. We will use this option. Double click on it. Once we double click on it, now these are the other company codes that's created that exist in this server. So if you want to search our company code that we have just created, so click on position. Once you click on position, another entry will come, company code. Now we need to find our company code, that is AP10. Hit enter. Okay, so this is the company code that we have created. City is Bangalore. Now we need to assign with company. So yeah, what was our character? I mean the company that we have created. Code would be
ADG,
correct. ADGOC,
ADGOC.
right. Enter and save it. Data was saved. Now what is our second one? ACC1, right? ACC1.
ADC1.
Either we can find right this, or we can just click on position and search ACC1. Sorry. Here we need to again assign the ADGOC. Enter it. We'll get the warning message that company code doesn't differ from company code currency. Ignore the warning and just create it. Because our company group of companies in India and one Adani Group's company code is in UK. Okay, that's why we got the warning.
Okay.
So we have assigned it. We have assigned company code to company. So again, we need to go to definition part, financial accounting. After defining company and company code, what we need to do? We need to define business area. As we have seen that business area is nothing but it's a separate organizational unit. Okay, so under business area, we can have separate financial statements. We can have separate balance sheet and profit and loss account. So business area would be created. Uh, I mean, as per geographical location. So we can create as per branches, different branches. We can create as per different locations, or we can create it. We can create business area as a different office. So double click on it. Now again double click on new entries. So now they have they said that we have to create a business area with name. Suppose say first two letters would be AD and last would be name of the place or location or city. Okay, so what we'll do? We will add ADCH. AD Chennai business area. Chennai business area. Then AD DE. AD Delhi business area. then one is Chennai, Delhi, then one is uh, Pune, AD, Pune business area. We'll take one more, AD. Um, so we'll take two from South India, two from North India, one from South. Now we'll take Hyderabad, AD. For practice purpose, you can take any. Okay. Here I'll just use BA. BA stands for business area. Enter it and save it. Again, will this TR detail will pop up, TR request number, but we'll save. We'll use this TR number again for this topic. Hit continue button. This was saved. Okay, we'll go back. Now, once we create the business areas, suppose say if you want to maintain, if you want to create a business area for South India location, and if you want to club all the business areas uh, under one business area, that should denote the one location for all North Indian business area. So in that case, we can maintain consolidation business area. Double click on it, new entries. So AD, so it is consolidation business area, right? So C B A C B A. Okay, only four alphanumeric digit. ACBA means ACC, or we can say that AD Adani's CBA. So AD consolidation, consolidated business area. I'll just write short form BA. Enter and save it. Okay, once we create a consolidated business area, okay, so I forgot it. What we'll do? We'll have two different consolidation business area. So I will create two more. So ignore this one. ACSI. That means not ESI, ADSI. ADSI. That is ADCONSO, consolidated DA for South India. ADANI. AD C1 BA for North India. Save it. Now we'll go back. Now what we'll do, we'll assign business area different. We have created four different business areas. What we'll do, we'll assign consolidate business area to number of business areas. So to assign the request, we need to go to assignment option. Click on it. Now we'll see assign business area to consolidation business area. Double click on it. We need to hit select position. Now we have created ADHY, that I remember. Once you select once, you will see all other business areas nearby. So we only see AD, PU, AD. Okay, this is not the correct one. What did ADPE? I think. Yeah. So consolidation business area that we have created is ADACBA. No, it's AD. Now Chennai belong to South India, right? So SI. So for
Yes.
South Indian location, I have created uh, business area for consolidation purpose. So I'll assign it ADSI. Enter it. That means this Chennai business area has been assigned to consolidation business area for South India. Similarly, if you're talking about AD Delhi business area, so I'll use AD NI. So description would be for North India. Now we have created and again two more, right? One is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is as in South Indian location AD SI. And Pune AD. Now we'll select NI. If you want to create Western, Eastern, you can create as much as you want for practice purpose. But if it is a client requirement, so we need to create as per client requirement. Now we are practicing that uh, we can create n number of business areas. So we'll go back. Now we'll stop today. Okay. So you can do the practice now. So what I'll do, some of the options are, I mean, that I haven't added. Maybe it is related to consolidation business area. Okay. So suppose say we only know the path, and if you want to see the particular T code for this task, so you need to go to additional information, again additional information, go right and select display key. uh, Under display key you have, this is the IMG activity. Click on it, you'll see additional information, and the last four digits would be the T codes. Okay, so assign company code to company OX16, assign company code to credit control area OB38, assign business area to consolidation business area is OBB6. Okay, additional information, again additional information,
Okay.
display key, then IMG activity. You will get this additional information column, and the last four characters would be the T code for particular task. Yeah. So you need
Okay.
to do it n number time. I mean, if you do it just once, and if you logged out and again you logged in, this screen will not appear. This column. Again, you need to go to this option. If you want to know the suppose a T code, it's not compulsory activity. If you just want to see what is the company code of a particular this thing. So right now I don't remember the T code for assigning the business area to consolidation business area. In that case, I have used this option. Okay, so OBB6 is the T code. So I'll just stop sharing, and we'll reach to we'll go to Excel sheet. I'll add one column. So fourth one would be define area, and the T code is OBB6. OBB6. I'll add the path later, okay? So it take
Okay, sir.
uh, much time. Then I'll just add one more line. Fifth one would be assign. Assign business area to consolidation business area. I'll just use consolidation, console, CONSO, business area. Actually, decode is OBB6 for this one, and for defining business area, it is OX03. And for consolidation business area, I need to check it. I don't remember because we don't generally use this option. Maintain consolidation area. T code is OCC1. See that maintain. Define and maintain is the same, but just I'll whatever is there in SAP, I'll use this same names. OCC1. So we have created 5 options now. What I'll do, I'll just highlight this one. Okay, I'll use the blue one. That means we have maybe
Complete.
green one. Green means we have completed.
Okay, sir.
So whatever the names that we have created, I'll maybe for company code to company, we don't need to give it. Business area that we have created is ADHY, then ADPU, ADCH, and what was the fourth one? One is Chennai, Pune, Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
ADDE, I think.
D D
L or DE, not sure. Okay,
D
that is
E D.
it doesn't matter whether it's D or D. We can search it later. Okay, we have created 4 and maintained consolidation business area. One is ADSI, ADNI, North India, South India, and we have assigned it. So there is no need to add any information for assignment. That's it. So what we'll do, we'll create, again, we'll start from creation of functional area from Monday.
Okay, sir.
6. Okay. So I'll change the names, sorry, numbers later. Okay. So first 5
Okay, sir.
in green. So I'll just share this screen. I'll just change the name with different dates. So we'll only use FICO only. SAP FICO, today's date. Okay. So what you need to do, we have created Adani group, right? So you can choose any other combination.
Yes, sir.
Just click on, suppose say, even you have worked on some, I mean, companies, right?
Yes, sir.
So maybe you have done the, I mean, the audits. So take one company and its subsidiary companies and just create company codes and other options, business area and all, so that you can relate whatever you have worked on the audit. I mean, whatever you have, uh, I mean, audited so far, based on your experience, create company codes. So
Okay, sir.
for which company you have done the audit
We have
recently, or
number
you
of
are
companies. Now
number
I
of
am in.
companies, right?
Yes.
Sorry.
I will do it, sir. I will do it.
Okay. Okay, you can manage it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay then, I'll share it. Okay, just a second. Don't go. I'll share right now. It's 120. This option. I'll stop recording. Okay.
Yes, sir.